Well, I started Jupiter Granite Company in 2005, but my family's been in the stone business for 3 generations, and we're well known in the area for producing high-quality work. I would describe the company as being both custom and production because we service both types of markets. With a lot of the newer construction homes, it's more of a production type situation, but then we also do custom high-end work for designers. Well, initially when we started looking to increase the productivity here at the shop, we were looking at various types of machinery from CNC routers to saw jet machines. And in talking with the salespeople at Breton, they really were informative and let me know that at the time they didn't have a 5-axis saw jet, but the new CombiCut 5-axis was in the works. So I was very excited about that. Some of the features that were available on it were the fact that it can cut miters with a saw blade and a water jet, which no machine could do at that particular time. Also, the ease of use of the software, fully automated, very easy to program. You just load the slab, push a button, and it goes to work. You don't have to sit there and babysit it like you do with other machines. Breton USA, they allowed me to come over and they demoed the software for me, which was one of the main factors in purchasing the Breton CombiCut. They sat me down and showed me how the software works, how easy it was to program. Also, the 3D modeling software that came along with it. Very impressive. The technology that Breton uses is state-of-the-art, and just the way the machine is programmed, it's very streamlined, very easy to use, very efficient. The design software, while you're working with that, it's actually running the cutting program at the same time, which saves time on that end as well. So that's one of the main reasons, just the quality of the machine and the ease of use. Having the CombiCut, it's actually 2 machines in one. It's a saw and a water jet, and they work simultaneously without having to do any additional programming. The computer knows when to use the saw, when to use the water jet in the most efficient way possible. Initially, when we put the water jet online, it was interesting because we're always trying to think now of different ways that we can utilize the saw jet feature on the CombiCut. And so we're trying to come up with different little things we could do to offer our customers incentives for going with us. And one of the things that has really helped us is we started making these sea turtle shaped cutting boards out of the sink cutouts. And people have just been going crazy over those. They really, really like that. And so they talk about it, of course, and that is bringing in more business as well. So something as simple as using the water jet feature to cut a sea turtle instead of a square cutting board has really helped increase our business as well. As the owner of the company, I also operate the machinery. So for me, finding a machine that was going to be easy to use would help free up more of my time for the things that I need to be doing. So the CombiCut has definitely done that for me. The fact that it's a 5-axis water jet makes mitering much easier, which it seems like more and more people are wanting miter edges these days. So the 5-axis water jet feature was a definite must for me. And it has really increased our productivity and allowed us to do a lot more miter jobs that typically would be a little more difficult for us to do. The whole sales process, the salesman was very informative. He didn't put any pressure on me, took his time to answer my questions, followed up, and really we spent probably close to a year talking about this machine, going back and forth until I was ready to make a decision. But the whole time I was never pressured, and I was ready to move on it, and it's been great. Love it. Having the Breton CombiCut in combination with the FabMaster Lite software has really boosted our productivity and efficiency, so it has definitely increased our production by about 75%. Typically we would turn jobs around in about a week to a week and a half. Now with the new Breton CombiCut, we're able to turn jobs around in 2 days. We can do more jobs in less time, so that means more money for the company.